Idol mo ba si Ninong Rai? The perfect bite, pare. Curious ka ba kung anong shoes ang suot niya at kung magkano ito? If yes, please stick until the end of the video to find out. First shoe is the Sperry X Kirby Utopia Slip-On Blue. Itong sapatos na to ay binigay ni Big Boy Cheng kay Ninong Rai. Grabe, ganda ng visuals ng sapatos na to. Ang ganda ng pagkakadesign ni Kirby dito. Salute, bro. Second shoe is the Nike Air Force 1 Mid, olive green, and total orange. I'm not the biggest fan of the Air Force 1 Mid, pero ang ganda ng color combination ng sapatos na to. Bumagay din sa overall outfit ni Ninong Rai yung shoes niya. Last shoe is the Doc Martens W-Tops Leather Strap Boots. This shoe is a collaboration between Doc Martens and the Japanese brand W-Tops. Gusto ko sa sapatos na to is lalaki talaga yung pagkakadesign eh. Ang angas eh. Yung straps niya, yung overall design, ang angas. Please comment if may request pa kayong other influencers or celebrities. So here are the price of Ninong Rai shoes. Yun lang. Bye!